Good evening, guys. We're here for another exciting unboxing, and this time, of course, it's not Suru toys anymore because we almost completed already. I only miss one player, which is Steph Curry, the Night Knight. But anyways, now we're doing my wife's favorite anime. So it's Yu Yu Hakusho or Ghost Fighter. And backstory, um 2 months back I ordered three, which I unboxed already, and this one is included. But the thing is, like, GameStop only sent me two, and they said this is pending. But I didn't know that I will still get it. And what happened is we went to GameStop last Friday, and then we end up seeing this in the shop. So, of course, we bought it. And when we went home, the next day I got an email from GameStop that my order is coming. And come Monday, again, another Hiye came. So, I got two. And yesterday, we went there to return the other one. And voila! We got lucky because they have this in the store. And it is Toguro, the 100%. What is it? The 100% Toguro, the big one. So yeah. So without further ado, let's start unboxing. But I'll start with Toguro first. So we still have a long way to go. A lot to complete, but yeah, slowly but surely we'll get there. I don't know how they fit this in the box, and it's really like heavy. This is the heaviest that we got. Look at this. At first I thought she doesn't want to get Toguro. See? Ooh. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Yeah, at first I thought she doesn't want to get Toguro, but then when we saw it yesterday, we were like, and she was so. So just rip everything. The sand. After this, I'll unbox Hiei, but that will be for another episode, you know. So let's assemble it. Just put this buddy. Whew. That's nice. That's really nice. And this one is here. I think so. Yeah. So it should go here. Is it the other side? Or oh yeah, yeah. Should be like that. Come on. Ah, I can't. Why? Oh, it's hard to put it in. It's a snug fit, but oh, there you go. So should fit there. Whew. So how? Let's check. No, it's not there. So the knees should go. Oh, is it like, okay. No, that's too much. Okay, got it. There you go. And we should go here. Whew. Look at the form. It's really nice. Oh. So we're missing, I think for this set, we don't have Jericho yet and Kuwabara. So hopefully we'll get them soon. So that's it for this episode. And stay tuned. We still have one more. It's Hiei.